This video will demonstrate that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360. You just have to watch the video. I may not say anything, but you can just watch the video and you will be able to understand. I'm trying to move all these exterior angles and I'm trying to put them together here. If it is true, and you can see it is true, that all these exterior angles of a polygon, when I'm putting them together, they form a perfect circle, and perfect circle is 360. So this is true that all these exterior angle of a polygon, they are the sum of all of these angles, the 5 angles, because it is a pentagon. So the 5 angles together is 360. One more time you can watch this video, and I'm going to show you some questions based on this concept. You can answer those questions very easily. Now, even if you can watch, you can see if I change all these angles, you can see that the angles I'm changing. But even then, doesn't matter. Whatever the angle I'm changing, it is going to be, the sum is going to be equal to 360. Now, based on this concept, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to show you that is it true for any polygon? Like what happened if it is a triangle? You can see it here that it is true, and you can see even in case of a triangle, the exterior angle, when I put them together, again it is 360. It doesn't matter whether the angle is, what kind of angle is, it is obtuse, acute, or whatever it is, the exterior angle, the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon, even you can see in case of a triangle, this is also true, it is 360. Is it true for pentagon? You saw before, this is also one of the same example. Now based on this is a good question. The question is asking what is the sum of all these 6 colored angles. So, and there is no value is given, nothing other than just these 6 angles marked, which is colored. What is the sum of the different colored angles? So these angles are shown, and you have to answer this question. This is a difficult question, but it can be answered if you know the concept which you saw before. What I am going to do is, I will pull one of the triangle, I will have one set of the exterior triangle angles, and I am going to put them together. You can see these 3 of these colored angles. When I put them together, it is 360. So the other 3 is also going to be 360 because they are vertical angles. So which you can see is the sum of the 3 orange, blue and green exterior angle is 360. The sum of the other 3 angles is also 360, being vertical angles. Therefore, the sum of all the colored angles is 720. Another question similar to that. I'm going to, what happened? Is this true? Whether it is a hexagon, or in the previous question you saw it was a triangle. Is it true? Yes, it is true, and you can see it again that you can see it here. I pull one set of vertical angles, I put them together, and you can see it is perfect circle. So one set, even if it is a hexagon, is going to be equal to 360. The other set will also be 360. It doesn't matter, even if you change the angles, the shape of the polygon does not change the value of the sum of the exterior angles. You can see it here. I am changing, but it remains the same thing. Based on this question, I'm going to solve another question. So this is the question. In the figure below, if angle Z is given as 30, what is the value of the sum of x plus y? This is angle x and this is angle y. Now this question can be solved very easily if we know one of the other exterior angle. If angle Z is given to you as 30 degree, then the supplementary angle, which is this one, which is BZD, this angle will be 150 because this is Z, and this is 150, and that will have all the three exterior angles together make 360. So watch this, how this can be done. So I am taking one of the angle, trying to put together, and you see that the yellow angle, this is supplementary of Z. So Z is 30, so this is 150, and all of these together is 360. So now here is the equation, x plus y plus 150 equal to 360. All the exterior angle is 360, and then x plus y equal to 360 minus 150, which gives you 210. So answer is going to be D. One more time, it is very important to understand and remember that the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, like in this case, it is always 360. It does not matter whether the polygon is a triangle, a quadrilateral, or pentagon, hexagon, or any other. So you can see it here. You can see the angles are changing. I am moving different shape and all, and still the answer remains the same. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will use the concept regularly.